Hi, I am Rahul and today we are going to discuss the summary of poem Lake Isle of Innisfree. It's the chapter 4 poem of class 9 Beehive. Guys, Lake Isle of Innisfree, this is written by William Butler Yeats, and this Irish poet is a very handsome poet of English literature. Guys, Lake Isle of Innisfree, I want to tell you, Isle means here we can say island of lake, where we can say ये जो place है Innisfree, it is the birthplace, we can say, where the poet he had spent his childhood on this place. वहाँ पे उन्होंने बचपन बिताया है, और आज भी the memories and the remembrances of this place that come in the mind of poet, where he still remember some things, he still remember some memories and the way he enjoys his childhood when he was child, and he enjoys the things of his birthplace Innisfree. W.B. Yeats is the very great name of 20th century English literature, and here I want to tell you the summary of this poem stanza wise, as we used to do in poems especially. So guys, stanza 1 is here. It is, I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree. The poet tells that I will arise and I will go to Innisfree. Yeah, as soon as he will arise, where he will go? He will go to his birthplace, where he spent his childhood, and a small cabin built there. He will construct a small cabin. Cabin here means the jhopri type, hut type. He will make a small cabin there to stay, to live in that birthplace of clay and wattles. Clay and wattles means मिट्टी और छोटी छोटी जो पतली पतली बातियां होती हैं बांस की, that is wattle. तो he will make that wattles and clay cabin there, झोपड़ी. 9 bin rows will I have there, a hive for the honey bee. He will also product honey there by making the hive. 9 bin rows hive he will make there, and he will collect honey from the hive of bee, and live alone in the bee loud glade. Yeah, and then the buzzing of the sound which comes from there, from the flying of that bees, from the moving of that bee. So he will enjoy the natural sound of all those things. Another thing I want to tell you guys, that here the poet he tells that he wants to spend his life naturally. He wants to go in that place where the place is rich with nature. So it was the first stanza where the poet explains it. In that first stanza, that there he will listen the buzzing sound of the bee. He will make the small cabin of wattles and clay. He will go to Innisfree, and he will make the production of the honey, and he will also listen the sound of honey buzzing. Second stanza here I want to discuss, that and I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the wells of the morning. Wells of the morning means जो सुबह की घूंघट होती है, वो सुबह अपना क्या करेगा, वेल्स खोलेगा, घूंघट खोलेगा, एंड देयर इट कम्स पीस ऑन दैट प्लेस. जैसे ही मॉर्निंग इट विल ओपन द वेल, देयर कम्स व्हाट, देयर कम्स पीस. एंड यू नो वेयर द cricket sings, cricket is a type of insect, and they sing there on that place, because the poet wants to show the rich nature on that place. The nature is so rich there. Their midnights all a glimmer and noon a purple glow. The afternoon time will be the purple glow because of the sunlight. And their midnights all a glimmer. Midnight will be glimmering there because of the moonlight, due to moonlight. तो वहां पे क्या होगा कि जो दोपहर का समय होगा वो पर्पल ग्लो होगा सनलाइट की वजह से. वहां पे नेचुरली ही कैन वॉच ऑल दिस पर्पल ग्लोइंग ऑफ द आफ्टरनून टाइम एंड ही कैन ऑल्सो वॉच द मिडनाइट्स ग्लिमरिंग. रात में जो मध्य रात्रि का ग्लिमरिंग होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्विंकलिंग ऑफ द स्टार्स ही कैन वॉच इट. And evenings will be the full of linnet wing. Linnet wing, you know, nowadays during the summer time we can watch the insect of linnet, जिसके जो wings होते हैं वो बिखरे पड़े होते हैं. Especially we can say that nearby the light where the bulbs and all these things are there. So he will also get all these things, linnet wings, which will be full there. The evening will be full of linnet wing. So another stanza, which will the stanza 3, and it is the I think last stanza of this poem. Again he repeats, I will arise and go now, for always night and day I hear the lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore. Again he repeats the same lines. This is the repetition, and he says that वो जगेंगे और वो instantly he will go to that in his free place where he will hear the lake water lapping. जब लेक का वाटर होता है और शोर से आकर के वो टकराव होता है तो the sound that produces, he will hear that sound, he will enjoy himself by hearing and listening the sound by that collapse. And you know, while I stand on the roadway or on the pavement's grey. अब here he goes, he explains the thing of the city that where today he stands on the pavement. आज जब वो फुटपाथ पे रोड के किनारे खड़े होकर के materialistic world को जब देखते हैं, where there are the full of building cities, skyscrapers buildings, so he is unable to watch the clarity of the sky, he is unable to watch the blue sky. So he wants to tell that there is no reach of nature in the city. That's why he wants to go to Innisfree and he wants to spend his remaining life on his birthplace, WBH. So guys, it was the summary of poem. If you have any comment, you can put in my comment box. Okay. So all these things, लिटरेरी डिवाइसेस जो है इस पोएम में यूज किया गया हुआ वो राइम स्कीम है जो कि ABAB है. That is given here. Alliteration has been used here because I have already told you the repetition of the consonant sound. Yeah, high, honeybee, lay, clapping, low, all these things are there. All starts with the L sound, L sound. And personification is there. मॉर्निंग को पर्सोनिफाइड किया गया है. या एंड मेटाफॉर इज यूज्ड हियर. क्लाउड्स आर कंपेयर्ड विद द वेल्स. क्लाउड्स आर कंपेयर्ड टू वेल्स. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स गाइस आर गिवन देयर बाय विलियम बटलर in this poem. And things are here. One question I want to discuss here. Do you think Innisfree is only a place or a state of mind of the poet? क्या सच में Innisfree कोई प्लेस है या पोएट की एक कल्पना है? तो Innisfree is place that the poet used to visit in his childhood. Innisfree is that place where poet used to go when he was child. As he lives in the city now, he expresses a desire to go to Innisfree. His wish is there, his desire is there that he will go to that place because he doesn't like the nature of city. He cannot watch the blue sky. There is everywhere only materialism in the city, and this shows his state of mind. Okay, so all these things are there. We have discussed the summary. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, You can subscribe it to get the latest update of the videos. If you have any question regarding this poem, you can put in the comment box to ask with me, and like the videos and get the latest updates of the videos. Thank you. I will upload other chapters on YouTube channel.